everyone, welcome to the Lookbook. A very happy new year. It's 3rd of January, the day I'm filming. So this is officially the first video of 2021 on my channel and I'm super excited. So in this video, we are going to do a quick and easy everyday sort of makeup look, almost a no makeup look. When you just want to look put together for your college and office, this is the video you should come to. This will take you just 5 to 10 minutes. In fact, 10 minutes is a little too much and you'll be out the door. So without further ado, let's jump right in. The first thing to keep in mind when you do a no makeup look is that you have very little base product to work with. So you need to make sure that your skin looks good, and your skin will look good when you use moisturizers or facial oils, whatever you can to make your skin look healthy, glowy and all that good stuff. I'll be going with the Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. Very generously, I'm going to take a really good amount. There you go. You can see that my skin looks really healthy and it's like a good boost of hydration. Basically skin बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है, which is what we want for a very basic makeup look. Now for my base, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. I have the shade Pure Beige. Now you must have seen that many bloggers around my skin tone, they use this particular concealer because it has a really nice peachy undertone to it. I'm pretty sure in the darker shades or the even lighter shades as well, there must be some which have like a peachy tone. Now the good thing about peach tone concealer is that they very easily cancel out the dark circles and you don't need a lot of coverage. So that is the best part about it. मुझे ये पता नहीं था because videos में इतना lighting and all में पता नहीं चलता है, but जब मैंने ये खरीदा and खुद के face पे try किया, I realized okay, this is why people like this concealer a lot, like this particular shade I'm talking about. This is in the shade Pure Beige. So I'm going to apply this under my eyes. And you can see यहाँ पे थोड़े marks है and a little bit here. Basically आपको जहाँ पे भी you want to conceal any scars or marks or pigmentation, that is where you should be applying this. Now you can definitely go in with your finger. That gives the best application in fact. But I would suggest not to go with a beauty sponge because that takes in, soaks in some of the product, and when you're using very little product, you do want to get the best coverage or the maximum, concealing that you can. So it would be better if you go either with your fingers or a brush that would just make sure that you have the best amount of coverage. See, my face looks so much more evened out. Dark circles completely गायब नहीं हो गए हैं, but still they look much better. And because we want to make this quick, so as much as you can. Now, if you have a lot of acne marks or if you're not happy with the pigmentation around your skin, you can definitely very quickly go in with a BB cream or your foundation, completely tailored to what you want in your everyday makeup look. Now to set the concealer we have on our face, let's move on to powder. You can use something like this. This is a compact powder, Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Light Beige, or you can go in with a loose powder. This is again Maybelline Fit Me in 15 Light. Now I don't think I'm going to travel with something this big and boxy, so I'd rather go with a compact powder. So I'm going to take this. This does come with a puff and you can definitely use that, but I would rather prefer using a fluffy brush like this. Now the reason why I chose this particular compact and the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder is because they have a light coverage of their own. They are not translucent powder. So when you don't have anything on your face, they add on to the coverage and make it look even more seamless along with setting the concealer that you have on. That done, let's move on to brows. I'm going to take the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in the shade 02 Dark Brown. Now if you don't do your brows, please give it a try. Trust me, that is the only thing that kind of defines your face at this point. If you don't want to shape your brows and structure it, just get a brow gel or like a brow mascara. I'm sure NYX and Nykaa दोनों का brow mascara काफी अच्छा है. So you can take that and just set your brows into place. But I'm going to line them a little bit. Coming to the eyes, it completely depends on what you think looks good on you. Be it kajal, like a really bold kajal on the lower lash line, as well as smoked out on the upper lash line, and then maybe a liner. If you like a small liner or a structured wing liner, it is completely on you. I personally like using mascara. वैसे में भी मैं liner इतना अच्छा लगा नहीं पाती हूँ, तो my favorite is a mascara. I'll be using the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. I really like how this looks. It doesn't clump up my lashes and just makes them look really elongated and nice. So this is my go-to. Now for everyday makeup, I'm not going to do bronzing, contouring and highlight, and especially highlighter I think you should avoid because offices and colleges it will not look good. But what I'm not going to miss on is a blush. This is the Sugar Contour de Force Mini Blush in Salmon Superstar. This is a really nice orangey peachy shade, and I really like that, you know, that tangerine shade on my skin, and it will also look really good with this mustard yellow top. So this is what I'm going to take. In a very subtle makeup, I'll always suggest that go in with a blush because that just adds so much color back into your face. See, do you see that? It adds like a really natural, nice flush of color to your face. And when it comes to blush, you can definitely go a little overboard because that is the first thing that fades away from your skin. So it's okay if it looks a little bit, you know, too much, because by the time you're out the door, this will be settled in and it will look much natural and much more nicer. Now this is completely optional, but you can just take your blush and run it over your lids. This gives a really nice monochromatic look. I usually do this with my bronzer when I'm doing like a glam party makeup. I take my bronzer and then my highlighter on it. You honestly don't need eyeshadow when you're like starting out with makeup. Your blush, bronzer and your highlighter, they are more than enough. And now on to the final step, just pick your favorite lipstick. Mine is the Faces Canada Ultime Pro HD in the shade Natural Cocoa. Now this again is a really nice orangey tangerine shade, so that will look good with my blush as well. But you don't exactly have to match it, just make sure that the tone is really similar. Like if you're wearing a pink blush, then go for a pink lipstick and so on. So yes, this is my favorite, you know, nude everyday sort of lipstick. And we are done. This was my version of a no makeup look, and now let's go over the steps really quickly. Step number 1, apply a really nice generous amount of moisturizer on a cleansed face. इससे आपका skin hydrated रहता है and बहुत अच्छा दिखता है. Step number 2, go in with a concealer to conceal the dark circles and the spots around your face that you don't want to be visible. Step number 3, set the concealer with a powder, be it a loose powder, compact powder, that is completely on you. Step number 4, I went in with a mascara because that is just the quickest and the easiest for me, but you can go in with a kajal, a liner, wing liner, whatever is easier and looks good on you. Number 5, which I think is the most important step in this routine, and that is applying a blush. Now you can also run it over your eyes as well, that just gives a really nice look, but basically you need to apply it on your cheeks to give that nice flush and a really nice glow to your skin. Step number 6, which is the final step, is to go in with your favorite lipstick. Now this can be anything, a nude lipstick, bold lipstick. For me, this is my favorite. It's my happy color basically. It's a nice tangerine orangey sort of shade, and I usually like using creamy lipsticks on a daily basis because they are more comfortable, and also this particular formula is very long lasting. And that is all. We are all done and ready to go out the door. We were ready in like 10 minutes. This video might have taken a little longer because I was explaining as well, but trust me, it is not going to take you that long. And I feel everyone needs to master their no makeup look and an everyday makeup look just to be ready easily, quickly, and still look put together for wherever you're going out, be it a shopping spree with your friends and family, be it office or college. And yeah, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. A very happy new year 2021 once again. I really hope that you're enjoying my content, and let me know in the comment section what more you'd like to see and whether you like this video or not. And that is all. Meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.